Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 30th, and I thought we would start off some broccoli. So this is the one I'm using. I've already taken out 6 seeds here. We've got our little bit of paper towel, and I've already wet this down just to make this video a little bit shorter. And we'll just get these on here. And I thought I would just start off with 6. These things are extremely easy to start growing, so I'm going to do 6. I think that's enough for my garden this year. We still have a lot of snow outside. We had about a ½ an inch of snow overnight. But overall, the snow is melting. We're probably down to maybe, a 1.5 feet in some places, so not too bad. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds. So I'm just going to fold that over. I should actually make that crease a little bit. Let's go like that. Make sure it fits. That's good. So this is going to be germination day number 1. Now a while ago I started off some basil seeds, and it's been a while on those, and there's absolutely zero activity happening, so I think the seeds were not good. These were seeds that I harvested myself. Alright, so let's close this down. So there we go. So March the 30th, 2023, and we are starting off with these. So this is day number 1 of germination. So that's it for this really fast video. I will keep you up to date on this. That's it, and I'll catch you on the next one.